So you have a combination of everything. What inspired you to do that, and why did you do that? Is it because you wanted to attract everyone to get a piece of everything?
Well, I've been doing music ever since I was a kid, and I've been around the Haitian community, and I wanted to give something back. And I know, there's some people who like hoopah or who prefer zouk or who prefer reggae, so I thought it would be a good idea to put everything together so that, I can please my audience.
So people want to hear the Creole version of you. So, comme n'a dit dans ce sens, pas grand pile fille qui sortit la musique comme ça, qui est haïtien. Vous avez passé Amy Michel, vous avez passé. Et on y a ou même qui nouvelle la capine là, ça qui inspire à continuer avec la musique comme ça haïtienne.
Bon, ça qui t'inspire, moi, et mon gâteau Amy Michel, parlant de Mireille Mathieu, old artists inspirés pour m'écrire et chanter haïtien, pour faire un lot, comme si cette dimension dans la musique haïtienne.
What kind of vibe do you have? Is it the vibe like it's spicy, it's turning you on, everybody's attention is right there?
I would think so. I think each music in the album is pretty different. So I can be spicy and I can be a little mellow at the same time.
Can you tell me a little bit about your manager before I introduce him?
Well, my manager is my brother. His name is Kenny Moise, and he's been a great help. He's right here with me right now. So you guys can have a little chance to talk to him.
Sure, but that's a good combination because most, like women, it's hard for women to come out because most managers, they want something to come out of them. And you, for the first time, I see, it's like the people out there, who's doing this. What is that for you as a manager?
Well, it's real difficult because, in the industry, it's tough when they're dealing with different management, especially they don't really realize the artist's potential. I grew up with her, so I know what her potential is. And I see what's out there and what's missing and what she can bring, so that we can fill that void. So, when she's dealing with like outside managers, sometimes you gotta be worried about what their intent is. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I chose to partner with her and do all this stuff, get into music behind the scenes, and as far as like the business aspect, so I can make her dreams become real. You know what I mean?
There are thousands of compa out there, musicians and groups out there. What makes you think that your group, your music, gonna come on top?
Well, I think it's definitely different. That's what I can explain it. It's vocally, it's different. Musically, it's different. So I think it'll draw attention, to people who appreciate music.
So where can you catch people to go see on iTunes or YouTube? Can you tell them the name so they can go there? So that way they can be like, they can vote for you on this YouTube. They can see on HaitianJonas.com. Where can they go?
Well, you can find her on CD Baby. You can find her on Amazon. You can find her on iTunes. She has a video on YouTube as well. So we're working on more stuff, more projects, whatever. And she's also working on, just posting some more videos so people can see, what her real talent is. Because people only see okay, what is she doing in zouk? What is she doing in compa? And it's not only that. She's an artist that she can play American music. She can play whatever music it is. So we have French on the album. We have Creole on the album. English is on the album. And the sky's the limit. So.
What is the name? If I was searching on YouTube, most people on YouTube, what can I look for?
You can look for Lisa Deeply in Love. That's the name of the video.
How you spell it?
Deeply in Love. It's Lisa and then Deeply in Love. Yeah.
Those who do not know how to spell it, I'm so sorry. So it's not expensive. How much is the CD?
The CD is $10.
And who's doing the promoting for you? To promote it in the store? Who does that for you?
Well, so far we've been promoting ourselves.
Everything's been in-house.
Pretty much it's been in-house.
It's been an in-house production.
The reason I asked you that question because we started a new show in Boston, and people watch it on YouTube, on HaitianJonas.com, and on Facebook. the show is about mostly how Haitian music is not going up because it's not that much out there marketing for them. So do you think you're gonna make it within a year?
Well, I definitely hope so. I'm putting in all my effort, and I hope the Haitian community can support artists. It's hard sometimes, you know, supporting their fellow Haitians, especially being a female artist. It's very difficult. So I would hope that everybody would support.
What's the last word we want to say to the public, and talk to them right now, and what do you want to say to them?
Well, I want to say thank you for listening to me, first off, and hopefully you get this album, Boîte de Chocolat. It's very, very good, inspirational, powerful, it's everything.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Miss Lisa, and the manager also. Thank you, and look for it, and I wish success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. My name is Haitian Jonas. You're watching with Lisa and the manager. Thank you for watching.